Look at this one, Trev.
Yeah, baby delay.
I saw that one.
It's huge. There's my hand. As big as my hand. My fingers. I bit. What do you think I'm doing?
Did you get hit? Oh wow, God, there's a whole bunch of them over here. Mom, there's millions of them right here. Not millions.
Look at these. They blend in. You can't hardly see them. Like leaves. Look at that one.
Look at these. They're eating, Dad. These are eating. Mom, look, they're eating. Mom. Mom, look at them all eating.
Look, that one's starting to turn blue.
Oh my goodness. That is unbelievable. They're so unassuming when their wings are closed. Trevor, how much? Oh, Trevor has one on him. Go.
Sweating.
Look here, Chubby. Look at me. Look how open his wings. Aww.
I'm letting him out. Why is he fighting? He's not fighting.
He's trying to open his wings.
What the heck? Uh-oh. What the heck? What's wrong with
I think he
him?
wants to go back with you.
Don't move away from me, Trevor. Just.
Mom.
Here.
Mom.
Just take your finger and just try to lift him just a smidge. No, don't touch his wings,
Mom.
just his foot, and see if.
Mom.
Oh. I got it, Ty. Oh my gosh. I
Did
got
it open its wings?
Yep.
So where'd you touch it at?
Hey,
Where did you
pick
touch
that
him?
one off the ground.
I got him for you. Oh shoot! I got it just as he shut. Do it again. They're flying all around. They're fast. Do it again, Trevor. I got it. Do it again.